into a small space and allows easy access. This process allows high levels of hygiene and also ensures consumer comfort. Your customer can be satisfied that the product is fresh, clean and hygienically cut. The procedure begins by placing the live bird into the cutting cone and slaughtering it the halal way. Subsequently, the bird is placed in the scalding tank with water at a temperature of 58 degrees Celsius for approximately 3 minutes to ensure proper loosening of the feathers. Finally, the bird is put into the defeathering unit so every feather is properly removed. Additionally, a portioning machine can be utilized to sustain hygienic handling and evenly cut pieces.